Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is 5 kingdoms. Robert Whittaker in 1969 classified all living organisms into 5 kingdoms. This system is called 5 kingdom system of classification. According to 5 kingdom system of classification, the first kingdom is kingdom Prokaryote, which is also called kingdom Monera. In this kingdom includes unicellular organisms. Uni means one. Unicellular are those organisms which their body consists of only one cells. They are prokaryotic. Pro means before, karyon means nucleus, because they have no true nucleus and other membrane bounded organelles. That's why they are called prokaryotic cells. Such type of cell is prokaryotic cells, and such type of organisms are called prokaryotes. They are microscopic organisms because their body consists of only one cell. That's why they can be seen only with the help of microscope. Such type of organisms are called microscopic organisms. Their cell wall is made up of murine. Their cell wall is made up of urine. The example is bacteria and cyanobacteria. बैक्टीरिया एंड साइनोबैक्टीरिया के अलावा बाकी जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं वो यूकैरियोटिक हैं. सिर्फ और सिर्फ बैक्टीरिया और साइनोबैक्टीरिया आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ किंगडम मोनेरा और प्रोकैरियोट्स. नाउ द सेकंड वन इज किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा और प्रोटोक्टिस्टा. This kingdom includes eukaryotic organisms. Eu means true, karyon means nucleus, because they have true nucleus and membrane bounded organelles. Such type of organisms are called eukaryotes and their cells are called eukaryotic cells. They are so small and having differences with other eukaryotic organisms. They live in water. They are aquatic. They live in aquatic habitat. What is habitat? Living place. एक organisms के रहने की जगह को हम उसका habitat कहते हैं, मस्कन. Aquatic habitat because they are found in water. The example is algae, amoeba, euglena, plasmodium, paramecium, etc. The third is kingdom fungi. In this kingdom, eukaryotic organisms are present. It includes eukaryotic organisms. They are multicellular. Multi means many because their cell consists of many cells. That's why they are called multicellular organisms. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. What is chitin? It is a polysaccharide. Polysaccharide means it is a complex form of carbohydrate. They have no chloroplast. They are heterotrophic in nature. Because they have no chloroplast, that's why they cannot prepare their own food, and they are heterotrophic in nature. Heterotrophic are those organisms which cannot prepare their own food and depends for food on other organisms. Stored food in the form of glycogen. They stored food in the form of glycogen. The example is mushrooms, yeast, molds, puffballs. Mold, you know about mold, bread mold. रोटी के ऊपर जब फंगस आता है, रोटी के ऊपर जो ग्रीनरी बन जाती है कुछ दिन गुजरने के बाद, उसको हम कहते हैं मोल्ड, ब्रेड मोल्ड. साइंटिफिक नाम इसका है राइजोपस. ठीक है. यीस्ट क्या है? खमीर. ठीक है, आम अल्फाज में जिसको हम कहते हैं यीस्ट. इसी तरह मशरूम भी आप लोगों ने देखा होगा. मशरूम जो है इसमें एडिबल मशरूम्स भी होते हैं और पॉइजनस मशरूम्स भी होते हैं. पॉइजनस मशरूम्स जो हैं वो उसमें टॉक्सिन्स पाए जाते हैं, वो नहीं खाने चाहिए. एडिबल मशरूम खाने के होते हैं, उसमें प्रोटीन्स होते हैं, प्रोटीन रिच होते हैं और काफ़ी टेस्टी भी होते हैं. द फोर्थ वन इज किंगडम प्लांटी. In this kingdom include all plants. They are eukaryotic. They are also multicellular. You can see plants with the help of your naked eye because their body consists of many cells. They are multicellular. They are autotrophic. Auto means serves, food preparation, because they can prepare their own food. So that's why they are called autotrophic in nature, means self-food preparation. Their cell wall is made up of cellulose. Plants have cell wall. The outermost boundary of the plant cell is cell wall, and it consists of cellulose. They have no centrioles. What is centriole? It is an organelle which is present in the cell, but this centriole organelle is present only in the animal cell. Plants have no centrioles. The reserve food in the form of starch. Reserve food means store food. They store food in the form of starch. The example of kingdom plantae plants, brassica, pinus, mulberry, ferns, mango, pea, ये तमाम प्लांट्स की एग्जाम्पल है. आप कोई भी प्लांट की एग्जाम्पल किंगडम प्लांटी में लिख सकते हो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज kingdom Animalia. The fifth kingdom is kingdom Animalia. In this kingdom, all multicellular organisms. They include all multicellular organisms in which their body consists of many cells. They are eukaryotic. They have true nucleus. And membrane bounded organelles. So such type of organisms are eukaryotic. They are heterotrophic because they cannot prepare their own food, because they have no chloroplast. That's why they are heterotrophic in nature. They have no cell wall. एनिमल सेल के बाहर कोई सेल वॉल मौजूद नहीं होता, और आउटर मोस्ट बाउंड्री एनिमल सेल की सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती है. They have centrioles. Centriole organelle एनिमल सेल में मौजूद होती है, which helps in cell division. And the stored food, the reserve food, is in the form of glycogen. Now kingdom Animalia is divided into two types: invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates which have no vertebral column. Vertebrates which have vertebral column, जिनमें रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है. For example, fish, reptiles, birds, mammals. Mammals like human beings. Human beings भी mammals की कैटेगरी में है. आप देख सकते हो कि इन सब में बैकबोन पाया जाता है, रीढ़ की हड्डी होती है, वर्टिब्रल कॉलम होता है. Such type of organisms are vertebrates. Invertebrates which have no vertebral column, जिनमें बैकबोन नहीं होता, जिनमें रीढ़ की हड्डी मौजूद नहीं होती. Example is starfish, jellyfish, worms like earthworms, like flatworms, like roundworms. Insects में आप लोग हनी बीज दे सकते हो, स्पाइडर दे सकते हो. ठीक है, तो insects, these are the examples of invertebrates. So this is all about the 5 kingdom system of classification.